Quantum computing is a hot topic, which is exactly why we are organizing a series of training sessions to prepare you for the upcoming quantum revolution. But what is a quantum computer exactly? Well, the short answer is that quantum computers perform calculations just like any other computer, but do so more efficiently for a certain class of problems. Imagine trying to blindly find your way through a series of intersections. Every intersection you add to your route doubles or even triples the amount of routes that you would have to take to find your destination. Well, nature is filled with problems like that, where adding a single element multiplies the complexity of the problem you are trying to solve. Well, quantum computers are ideally suited for problems like this, because adding a single qubit, which is the elementary computing unit of quantum computers, doubles the power of the quantum computing system. This allows us to solve problems in minutes that would take millions of years on a regular computer. Now, up until now, quantum computers haven't really been powerful enough to solve practical problems. But we are now reaching the point of so-called quantum supremacy, where quantum computers are starting to solve problems that would take millions of years on even the most powerful supercomputers. Are you interested in finding out more? Well, register yourself for one of our quantum courses and start your path to quantum supremacy.